So hello and welcome to another unboxing, lettering, whatever you want to bloody call it. Anyway, so these are actually from Estonia. I actually buy quite a lot of stuff from this seller. A lot of German stuff and there's a lot of Slovakian. So those Slovakian coins from World War II I got from this guy. So as you can see, it says SD, SD Post. SD is the name of Estonia in Estonian. This is, all these declarations are in the native language and also French. And then that's from the 1800s, so even though most people don't speak French or understand it. So, and let's have a look at the actual stamps. So, okay, so there is no stamp on it. So, this is just the registered item, and this one from bloody SD Post. So let's open it up and see what I've actually got. And this guy, I call him the red sticky tape man. So you cut it. These are only coins, so there's no banknotes, so you're not actually going to cut the banknote in half. And what's his actual Estonian name? Kaide, something like that. And he didn't disappoint as normal. Red sticky tape. I've never actually seen red sticky tape for sale in Australia, so this must be... Maybe he got it from Latvia or Lithuania, or even Russia, because the Estonian flag is black, blue and white. So there is no red. Oh, looks like some items have actually fallen out already. What actually fell out? We have a Scheidemunz, one Pfennig. This is from Coburg Gotha. So got COB for Coburg. That's where the suburb of Coburg comes from, Gotha. So Hohenzollern. So it's actually a part of Prussia or sub-province. And here we have a 1864. This is Belgium, 2 centimeters. Whoa! Don't drop. Please don't drop. I'm sane. Okay, let's zoom in a bit. You don't want to see my hand, you want to see the coin. So it's actually one of the best designs from Belgium. First issue, I think 1830 from memory. It's in French. Beautiful line. And this is actually coin rotation. So you have to flip it up and up from north and south. And let's see if we can get the light. Okay. And that is Leopold, King of Belgium. So let's have a look at the actual other coins. So put those coins there so you can actually have a look. Not bad. Actually, you can see they're actually quite small. Okay, we're going to actually have a look through most of these coins. I've got a few Slovakian coins as well. Don't know, I just buy these. Some of these I'm actually going to have to resell because, I just buy them actually because the price is good. But the German state coins I'm actually not going to resell. I prefer to actually keep them. So the Coburg Gotha coin is actually quite a nice series. And those ones are actually quite a lot of actually different coins actually find. So I'll let you know which ones I'm going to keep and which ones I'm going to sell. Because basically you can't keep everything. Eventually you're just going to get rid of your collection as you get older. If you haven't someone in your family that actually collects coins or banknotes, yeah, you can actually give it to them as like an inheritance. But if not, then you will have to get rid of these coins sooner or later. So, there we go. I finished unpacking. I'll leave that as a background. So the first coin, or the third coin actually, is a Canadian 1 cent. This one looks like it might have been clean in the past. Yeah, probably clean. Probably a few decades ago, I'd say now. So it's 1899. Don't know the vintage of that. Need to look it up on Numistar. But that one I'll probably try and resell. Two coins I'm actually going to keep are these Brazilian coins. This is a 400 raise. Okay, oh sorry, one's Romanian. So 1938, I actually keep these and I'm trying to build up a collection so I can actually make a better video. I think it's copper nickel. So it's actually quite a nice coin with Aladdin's genie bottle. Beautiful. Also cool. So this is the actual portrait series. And after the Second World War, Romania actually had hyperinflation. So there's a 2000 lei. I think this costs like $5. It's probably the cheapest I've seen it. And as you can see, it had a proper minting 1946. I think 1947 or 48 actually got rid of the monarchy. So this is issued under Soviet occupation. And as we've seen before, had 2 Belgium 2 centimeters. So this is actually the best design, has the Constitution, the 1831. And what's the dates on these? 1870, 1875. I might have another one actually. I've got a few of them. Oh, I can't remember how many I actually bought. Okay, I think I got like these. Can't remember what I paid for, probably $4 or $5 each. 1873, and this one is 1864. So all these are pretty low minted, and they're rated. So I actually quite like those coins, but I'm probably going to resell them. Okay, so this one I'm going to keep. This one is a Danish, and as you can see, it has Frederick the 7th Danae, so you can tell it's Danish because it has Danae, so Denmark. So this is in Latin, and it's quite a thick coin. This is one Riksbank shilling. So this is actually a base metal one. So Riksbank shilling was I think it was actually a silver coin, or maybe it was a bronze coin, just a smaller bronze. But these are actually token coins. I wouldn't say token coins, they're fiat currency, so it actually has no silver value. And I've got actually two 25 penny coins, so this one has a bit of damage up the top, but these should be low mint. I think that's Munich, a Berlin, 1909, 1910, pretty good condition. These coins never actually took off, so they weren't that popular. So you can get them all in a high condition. I've got Third Reich coins, 2 Pfennigs, 10 Pfennig, or Reichspfennig, B for Vienna, D for, I think, Munich, can't remember. 1939, see, can't remember. Alzheimer's taken off. Okay, D, again, 38. Okay, here we have this one I'm going to keep. This one is good marks. So this is an actual Ungeld. So this is actually a note, Münzgeld. So Notgeld is a banknote. Münzgeld is an actual coin that's made by a state or province, supposed to be worth a value. So this is worth 5 marks. Schleswig-Holstein, which is a current state in Germany, so northern Germany. So that is very interesting. And I have 3 or 4 coins from the provinces. So these ones I actually keep. So we have a 3 Pfennig. Scheidemünz means, token currency, something like that. C mint mark, and this one's from Prussia. So that's nice. Can't remember what the C mint mark is. Okay, then we have oh no, this one is a 1933. This is actually a token. I got this one because I actually like the design. There's a lion and a griffin, I think. And on here looks beautiful. So it has no value, but I would say it's equivalent probably to one foreign, not foreign, one filler that was in circulation on 33. That's a very interesting one I got. And I showed you the Saxogofa, the one Pfennig. So these are actually the same, pretty similar. So this one's from Prussia, Coburg Gotha. And in theory, you could have actually used them in each other's territory, but probably a lot of people would have used it. Then I have a 1975 one Pfennig from Germany. This is B mint mark, so it's actually not Vienna. I need to actually look up B mint mark. One Pfennig from Danzig, so the Free State, Freistadt Danzig, 1930. It's 3 years before actually it's reincorporated. Oh no, 9 years before it's actually reincorporated into Germany. And they're all in German. Then I got some Slovak World War II coins, so 1 kronas, 941, 41, and 1940. Then we have 50 from the same country. So you can see the lines on the actual aluminium coin. That occurs on many coins from different countries. Because aluminium is pretty much a crap metal to use coins. It's too soft, corrodes quite easily. And I'm surprised these ones are actually in pretty good condition. So, and the last ones I got. I've got 350 Reichspfennigs from Germany. Not a bad design. And look for errors on all your coins as well. 1928 G. This is A. This is 27A. And D. Or 27D. And anyway, I'll leave the video here. Let me know which coin you actually like the best. Me, I probably like this Brazilian one. Very interesting design. Anyway, thank you very much. Have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time.